Good morning. Today we are going to discuss on the topic classification of hotels. So the hotels have been classified on different bases. So first we will discuss on classification on the basis of location. First, on the basis of location, the first is downtown hotel. Downtown hotels are the hotels which are situated in the center of the city. It is like near to the business center, shopping malls, theaters, public offices, etc. So they are basically located in the heart of the city, and the room rates in this particular hotels are expensive, as they are the location of these hotels are in the commercial hub of the city. So that's why the rates are quite higher in these hotels, and these hotels are preferred by the business clients, like the corporates or people come for business who have work in the city areas where offices are located in the city areas. So they would prefer this downtown hotel. So the rate for the room, your food, every facility will be higher in this hotel. And if we go for an example, we can say Intercontinental New Delhi, Le Méridien Pune are the example of downtown hotel. Next category we have the suburban hotel. Suburban hotel is a hotel which is located in the outskirt of the city. As the word says suburban, that means it's the in the urban areas, like in the outskirt of the city. So these hotels are situated as they are situated in the outskirt of the city. So this hotel room rates are little lesser than the, it's a moderate rate, we can say it's a moderate rate than the downtown hotels. And these hotels are basically preferred by the people who would not like to stay in a very crowded areas, because this hotels is situated in that particular area where you have, it's a very peaceful environment you'll find. So the people who prefer to stay in a silent area can could opt for suburban hotels. And suburban hotels will have a, and there are people who is like cannot afford to pay so much of rent, would also prefer to stay in the suburban hotels. Then we have resorts. Those properties are the resorts are the hotels which are located in the tourist destinations such as hill station, sea beaches and countrysides. So these hotels are basically preferred uh, by the families who would go for, suppose you want to go with a family in the weekend. So this resorts will be preferred by the families who can go and spend some time in the uh, in the hotel, where you have a recreational activities and the scenery, the beaches and everything will be surrounded by this resort hotel. So this is like you have all the games and everything will be offered by the resort hotels. So that is basically a preferred hotel for the families outings and all. And the the rates may range from moderate to high depending on the additional services they offered. So weekend could be possible that weekend rates are higher in resorts, and the weekdays rates are little lesser in the resort hotels. And for example, if I say the Taj Fort Ogada Beach Resort Goa and Wildflower Hall in the Himalayas Shimla are the example of resort hotels. Next we have the airport hotel. Airport hotel is the hotel which is situated in the vicinity of the airport or other ports of entry. They are basically offering the services of a commercial hotel. These hotels are generally patronized by the people who are like maybe somebody is flying from, say for example, flying from Delhi to London, and the person, or from Calcutta to Delhi to London. So somebody who's going to Delhi, and he reached in during the daytime, and he got a flight to London in the next day early morning. So for few hours he want to take a room and take rest. So this particular passengers or the guest would prefer the airport hotels. And airport hotels will be like on the hourly basis. You are the they are they're basically the commercial hotels. So they will have a facility of hourly basis room provided to them. So example are Radisson, Centaur Hotel, New Delhi, Mumbai, Radisson Hotel, New Delhi. Then we have the hotel called motel. The word motel, it's there are two words. It's motor and hotel. Motels are the hotels which are located on the highways, and they have a very limited facilities available in that. But the prime to be a motel, the important facility they need to have the parking space and the refilling area. Refilling, so we have to have a refilling facility for the vehicles and the parking lot. So they are not like the downtown and other hotels. So like they don't have that much of facilities available. You will have a simple, you will find food and drink, and you will have a parking lot and the refilling facilities also there. So it's a like very less facilities offered to the guests. But yes, if you are traveling by your vehicle, or if you are traveling by your any car, so you want to spend your night in a hotel, and next day again you will start your journey. So these are the preferred hotels which will be you will find in the highways. Then we have the floatel. Floatel are the hotels. The floatel means which floats on the water surface or surface of the water. Floatels are the hotels which are like cruise liners and all, which floats on the water. And here we have one another term, we have bloaters. Bloaters are the hotels which are like they also fly on the surface of water, but that are all the boat houses and on which you find in Kerala and Dal Lake in Srinagar. So those small ships like boat houses we called as a boatel. And floatels are the cruise liners which are huge and carry. You have every facility of a 5-star hotel in the water surface. You're traveling through a water and you get all the facilities. Those are known as floatels. Then comes the rotels. Rotels are the hotels which are on wheels. If we say wheels means, that means the trains. So there are a few trains which are converted into a hotel. You get all the 5-star facility in that. You have a separate restaurant, dining room, you have beautiful rooms, everything which you get in the hotel. So those hotels are known as rotels. So they basically lie on the wheels. Best example is Palace on Wheels. Then we have the Maharaja Express, Maharani Express. Then we have the Royal Rajasthan Mahaparinirvan Express. So there are certain different category of hotels are there in India which travel. There are different routes. Some starts from Delhi and they basically they covers the part of Rajasthan and come back to Delhi. There are some which will cover the Rajasthan and Agra and every part. So there are different hotels available in India. And always remember, hotels are on wheels. So that's it for today under this category of classification. So hope it is clear. Thank you.